Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Louisa Clark from Me Before You on Dress Room Press. I'm going to recreate her iconic outfit, like her yellow outfit here. But first, for the hair, super simple. Get this and then color it this brown. Also, you don't need VIP. Select the higher toggle, select updo, and select this hair in that same color. Okay, I might change the lipstick situation here. Okay, that just makes her look sad. She's always happy, and the dressing press doesn't have a lot of nice smiley face. I'm just going to do this. It's okay. Don't mind my French. I'm also going to get this in black and then this in black too, but in the cropped version. Grab this skirt and color it this yellow, FFC00F, and this too, both in matte. I'm going to get this butterfly on the head toggle, deselect everything except for the head one and color it that same yellow. I'm going to have to change that smile again. And we're going to also get this outfit from Codes. So select just color and then color it all the same yellow. I'm doing the bow like a darker yellow though. It's kind of orange, but it's FF9B01. Like so. And then for the socks, I'm using this one in the high stripe socks in black and yellow. And then we're just doing these Mary Janes in black. And I'm just fixing her smile here. What about this one? Let's do a peachy tone instead of pink. Maybe that'll suit her more. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!